Hi guys, welcome back to another crypto episode. Today I'm going to talk about Ripple XRP, its lawsuit, and the big IPO news. But before we move forward, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button to show your support. So we are already aware of the SEC lawsuit. They recently filed a lawsuit against Ripple over its XRP cryptocurrency, alleging that the company held a 1.3 billion unregistered securities offering. I'm not gonna go through everything here word by word. I'll be leaving this on my description box down below. Please feel free to click on it and read through it. Um, so they are saying that Ripple is a security, not a cryptocurrency. And it's because you need to qualify for that currency status under the Exchange Act and require the backing of a central government. And XRP didn't have that. So they made a case out of it. And in response to this lawsuit, Ripple said that it's a cryptocurrency, not a security. And it's because it's a virtual coin that is used as a medium of exchanging, medium of exchange for international and domestic transactions. They further added that XRP is an asset that is perfect for for payment processing because it's quick and reliable. So SRC right now is trying so hard to get Ripple. They took the entire, 2 years to build up the case, and they are still struggling to come up with a valid point. Yes, it did take XRP by surprise. They had very little time to figure this out and prepare a battle for this mess. They're still holding, so far. The price movement, I would say, is totally dependent on how we are going to settle with the SEC and, of course, the Coinbase relisting after that, which is going to be massive. Um, so the other thing about Ripple is that they are thinking about going public. So right after the settlement with the SEC, the CEO of the company, Brad Garlinghouse, and its executive chair and co-founder Chris Larson are thinking about making a move to go public. So what is public offering? Um, so it is the sale of equity shares to the public in order to raise capital. The capital raised may be, intended to fund the business expansion or make strategic investments. So, is it beneficial? Yeah, for sure. For the company, they are going to get a good capital if raised. If people invest, it is a good news for them. But is it a good news for us? Oh, well, it depends. Not all the time. Sometimes a poorly timed IPO does not do good. Not all moves in the stock market are guaranteed to bear fruit. I wish it was that easy, but it's not. You can take an example of the Coinbase IPO right now. It did not do well on the IPO launch day. It was probably one of the worst IPO, in a decade. You can correct me if I'm wrong. After a lot of hype that it was getting from months and all the attention, it had everything that it would need for a good IPO launch date, but it did not happen. They did not perform well. They're still struggling, but it does not mean that it's going to lose the value though. You can still hold your line for a good return. The only problem that I am seeing with Coinbase is that they are making money out of the transaction fees. I believe 70 to 80% of the revenue is coming out of the transaction fees that we pay while we trade using their platform. So, my question is, what if there is no future for cryptocurrencies? So, how the Coinbase is going to survive? If there's no cryptocurrency, then there will be no Coinbase. And what if the other companies, such as Binance, they come up with a new idea and lower down their fees? Their fees are already down, but if they come up with the IPO and find a way to, be better than Coinbase. These are things that you'll have to, question while investing in a company. Anyways, um, so let's look into XRP and how it's doing right now. So it's trading at $1.55 right now. This level right here is huge for us. we have to break this $1.60 persistence line. I'm not talking about the wicks right here, the tiny wicks. We have to break it, go up to $1.70, then maybe come down a little, make this our new support, and hold the line. Again, guys, everything is dependent on um, um, how we do with the SEC. As I said earlier, the movement and the American market um, will go or move forward if we do, or if we settle the case with the SEC. Please do your own DD, guys. Always invest in something that you believe in. Your life will be much easier because these are all the risk play. What if it's going to be buy the rumor, sell the news kind of a thing? Right after the settlement, like we go up and then come down and then crash. You never know what's going to happen, so you have to do your own DD and invest that something that you are willing to lose. Right, guys, that is it for today's episode. I'll try to come back with more crypto news and update. Till then, peace.